What's up, people? It's your man Joshua Pondexter coming to you live via LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, right? Streaming multiple platforms. We trying to go do it big, like whatever. I don't know. So listen, this is Lunch and Learn, 12 noon Central Standard Time in the Chicagoland area. We're not coming here to be a comedian today. We're just going to give you the information because it's getting close to getting ready for tax season. We don't want you to forget any deductions so that you can, put as much money in your pocket as tax time as possible. Okay, so taxes 101, what deductions can I claim? That is the topic for today. So let's look at this. This is tax deduction 101, right? Running a small business, and we're talking to business owners, can be filled with opportunities and potential. It's what's keep entrepreneurs working so hard day after day to achieve their goals. One area of struggles for almost any small business is the issue of tax laws, rules, and regulation. Despite the difficulties, business owners need to make sure they are compliant, right? So hopefully, you have a full-time job and you are a gig worker. You got a side hustle, all that good stuff. You still can benefit just like a full-time entrepreneur, full-time business owner, right? Take advantage of these wonderful taxes, right? So what is the standard deduction, right? The standard deduction is a fixed amount of income that is not taxed. Individuals or married couples can claim the standard deduction each year, and that amount of income is removed from their taxable income. For examples, individuals last year could deduct $12,950 from their taxable income as a standard deduction. This means their taxable income was reduced by $12,950. So if you made $50,000 a year, you can subtract $12,950 and the rest will be taxable. So married couples who file jointly could deduct $24,900, right? A head of household with dependents, but filing individually could claim 19,400. So these are some big windows, right? And so, well, that's enough to prevent me from paying income taxes. So, say you a single parent, head of household, you make $60,000 a year. We're gonna say $1,400. We're gonna say 20 grand to make the math easy. So now you got $40,000 of of taxable income exposure. So $40,000, a 33% tax bracket, state and federal. So let's just say 30%. Okay, 40. That's $12,000 that Uncle Sam still want, right? Even after such a significant standard deduction, right? That you're exposed. But understand, if you take the standard deduction, you cannot itemize. All right. So that's why you need a business. You need a part-time hustle or something so that you can itemize and reduce that tax liability even more. So let's look at some deductible things. I think I put 10 of them up here that you can claim without receipts, right? Home office expense. This is usually the most expense deducted without receipts, right? If you use your home as an office, you can deduct a portion of your rent, utilities, property taxes as a business expense, right? That's a lot, right? So say 30% of your home is used in your business endeavor, your office, your home office, and you have about $10,000 of expenses, right? Uh, man, that's another 3 grand of cash you need to keep in your pocket, right? Cell phone expense. These cell phones are planned. They can say what they want to, unlimited $100 a month. You look up, you got a $200 a month bill. Don't add some extra people there on your phone lines, right? Got a $300 bill. So typically 30 to 50% usage can be claimed as a business expense, right? So unless you full time in your business, then that can go up to 75, 85% usage, right? Because I'm personally, as a business person, I am not having too many personal conversations, right? If it ain't about business, we ain't talking. Number three, travel or business trips, right? So, hey, you got a full time job, you got a part time business that you need to travel for business. Bingo, bango. That's a beautiful deduction. There's a lot to it. There's a lot of rules about how to accomplish that. I'll just give you one. One of it, before you travel, you must establish that this is a business intent. That before you go to Miami, you have already scheduled appointments. You have a workshop you're attending or something. So for the hotel, the flight, the food, entertainment to be deductible, right? Self-employment tax, right? So, well, I don't want to be a sole proprietor. I don't want to be an LLC because self-employment tax. Listen, 7.5%. Half of that is given back to you. Not a very big deal. Self-employment retirement plan contributions, right? So if you self-employ, you need to plan for your retirement. Nobody else will. You can set up a 401k, a solo 401k. You can set up IRAs. You can set up a SEP IRA, which is a self-employed pension plan. So all this becomes deductible to you, right? Self-employment health insurance premium. This is big, right? So not only your health insurance premium, but all if you get a self-directed healthcare plan, which is a healthcare arrangement plan. I think it's plan 1050 with the IRS, but contact me if you're interested in that. That's a game changer. Not only your premiums, your copay, your herbal treatment. You could put a whole bunch of chiropractic care, acupuncture, massages. You can put a whole bunch of stuff that you can, dental work, right? Here's another one that a lot of people are paying a lot of money for, which major medical don't cover, but you can reimburse yourself with a healthcare reimbursement plan or reimbursement arrangement. Is artificial insemination. That thing is costing $30,000 a pop, right? So you're a wealthy person and a wealthy individual, and you want to have your babies on your own, you can write that off on your business. 100% deductible. Student loan interest, right? Certain charitable contributions, right, through your business, and certain way your business is structured, that you can write out 100% of those charitable contributions. So your business is structured in a corporation, and you contributing to your church, then you can write 100% of it off. Vehicle expense, we kept that for the last because that's the most deductible item that you can put in your business, your equipment, right? So once you put that car in the service for your business, it becomes a piece of equipment. The depreciation, the insurance, the monthly payments, the repairs, the oil changes, the car washes, all that become deductible. So you definitely want to keep receipts on all of this stuff, because if the IRS calls you on it, you're going to need to prove up, right? So, but whatever you do, keep your documentation. So here's some other deductions you can claim. Most deductions have limits, so consult with a tax professional if unsure about how to go about making these deductions. Advertising and marketing. This is big. Everybody's advertising. you internet advertising, internet marketing, radio, television, um, marketing, affiliate marketing, where you got people that are bringing you customers and you make them your affiliate marketer, right? Ooh, write that off. Bank fees, business insurance, computer or related equipment, right? That brand new Apple $3,000 computer you just bought, right? Uh, right out. Professional dues or memberships, right? So if you belong to an accounting association or you belong to any professional association uh, and you have memberships, you can write those out. Rental equipment used for your business, certain event costs, right? So you go to an event or you do an event, write that out. Startup costs, right? That's a big one because that's a drain when you start a business, starting it up. Professional licenses or permits, uh, merchant fees, right? When you everybody want to do Zelle, everybody want to do Cash App and things of that nature. Those fees are deductible, so keep track of that stuff. Repairs, as we mentioned. So you got a home office, the repairs on your house, right? The landscaping, the snow removal, the lawn service, right? All that portion of that is tax deductible, right? It's a beautiful thing to be a business owner, right? Some of your shipping expenses, your website costs, right? And we could go on and on and on, right? About what you can deduct. So listen, people, if you don't have a home-based business, you are brain dead and you need to contact Joshua Pondexter at joshuapondexter.com so we can do some brain surgery so that we can resuscitate your brain, right? Because taxes are killing us. It's robbing us of our wealth. It's robbing us of our freedom because wealth is freedom. Wealth is capturing back your time, and when 50 to 70% of your income is exposed to taxes, and Uncle Sam's gonna get most of that, right? You're gonna have, as you see, you got the standard deductions, which is not gonna help you much, right? If you cannot itemize, so you need a home-based business, right? And so we show you how to do this. We one hat that I wear, I'm a business consultant, right? We take you from startup, or let's say concept. If you don't have a concept of what should I do, we can concept, startup to funding, right? So we aid in that. JoshuaPondexter.com. We ask that you like, share, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We growing over there, and we want you to be a part of that growth. And those of you who are, we thank you. We appreciate you, right, for the support at my YouTube channel. That's Joshua Pondexter on YouTube, Joshua Pondexter on Facebook, Joshua Pondexter on LinkedIn. So this was some deductions that you can get. And trust me, set up a complimentary tax deduction strategy, because I have in my back pocket another 1,000 that you may not think about, that we can help you divert some of that money back into your pocket. So if you're making $100,000 a year, Uncle Sam, federal income taxes, he wants at least 30% federal. Then you live in a state like Illinois, you might be at 5%. That's 35%, right? Boom. And then you got sales taxes, excise taxes, property taxes, business taxes. You need a tax strategy, right? This is what we do. We love developing tax strategies for our clients. We literally hate, and don't hate too many things. We literally hate overpaying in taxes, right? So my distaste for that have drove me to develop knowledge based around how to legally, morally, and ethically reduce your tax liability. Take advantage of this knowledge. JoshuaPondexter.com. Schedule yourself a tax consultation with your man. That's all we got for you at this Lunch and Learn. Hey, appreciate you. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, we wish you peace, love, and soul. Bye for now.